where can I install my PTZ camera? You know, what's the best practices for installing it? And I'm going to move out of the way out of here because, you know, you have a tripod mount, ceiling mount, wall mounts. Now you guys make all these mounts available, but just talk about why I would use one or the other.
Sure. I mean, now tripod mounts are the most flexible. A lot of folks bring these out on site where they're live streaming a virtual event, and they're like in the tripod because it's quick, it's easy. You pop it on there. Now the ceiling mounts, and I have a ceiling mounted camera right now. I could show you what I look like from the ceiling mounted camera here. But
Show off.
essentially, you can have a ceiling mounted camera, which is quite nice because you can get all of these shots from above and you can do all kinds of things like that. I like them on the wall as well. In fact, I guess I should say, I'm in my studio. I've got one here on a slider. I mean, people are putting these cameras almost anywhere. I've even got a camera here on my desk. It's pole mounted to my desk, if you can see that,
I
because I was
can.
trying to save some floor space. Behind me, I've got a couple on the wall, right? I got a tally light behind me, and then actually, what you're seeing me on for most of this show is actually a monitor mount. That's the new 4K webcam. So they're going all over the place, Gary. Literally everywhere.